In this video, we are installing a new Ubuntu operating system on our Oracle Virtual Box. So let's start. So first we go and click on New. Yeah. So once we click on New, we will get this window here. So we will put Ubuntu. Then you can choose your folder, whatever is your folder where you want to keep all the files. Then you select the image ISO image which you have downloaded. So I have downloaded here Ubuntu 22.04.1. So again, uh, yeah, so it's better if you click on skip unattended installation so that you can create your user profile and get the root access and everything. So it's better to skip that. Now coming to the hardware part, you can allocate the RAM, memory, DDR memory how much you want. So in my case I want to allocate 8 GB. Number of processor, how many cores you want to assign, so I am assigning 8 here. Hard drive, so basically you can mention that how much space you need, so I'm putting it as 250. So this will be a VDI image. So when you have a virtual disk image or virtual hard drive, so it's better to if you have VDI image, and do not click on pre-allocated, because if you click on this one, then it will consume all the memory in the starting itself. So better avoid this one. After that, click on finish. Then the shared clipboard, you mention it as bidirectional. Drag and drop also as bidirectional, and description and disk uh, encryption do not require here. Sorry. So here you can have like coders, gossips, new virtual machine system. Already we have allocated the processor, also we have allocated, and acceleration is also good here. So now here is the important part. The display is currently having 16 MB of memory, which is not good. So you increase it up to the max like 128 MB and enable 3D acceleration. You can enable the server if you want to, RDP or remote desktop if you want to do. Now here you don't need anything. Here if you want to create any kind of shared folder, if you want to easily transfer any files from your Windows machine to your Linux machine, you can easily click on it and go to your folder path, others. Then you can go to your uh, folder, and you can select one folder and then you can select it. You can mention it as auto mount, so it will be auto mounted in your uh, directory in your PC. Automatically it will get detected. User interface, keep it like this only, no need to touch anything here. So now let's start it. So as you can see, our machine is getting started. So as you can see, we have our virtual machine up and running. Capture it. So I clicked on try and install. Yeah, so it's getting started now. So as you can see, it started, and now we can click on install. We want to the keyboard, whichever you want, you can select. In my case, I'm looking for India. US India here? No. Do we have English India here? No. Let's go with US only. So I want normal installation. Download the update while installing. No. Install the third party. Yeah, it will be good. We'll see. So third party like Ubuntu drivers and other things which are supported by your host machine, that will be downloaded while installation. As this is our virtual machine, we have a new fresh hard drive allocated here, so it's fine to click on this one. So it will erase and install the Ubuntu in this, and it will create this partition and install in this one. So it's fine. But if you are installing in your on your machine on your laptop, always go with something else and check in which partition you want to install. And like this is a very uh, you have to be very careful, otherwise you can mess it up, and you can delete your partition which will have your valuable data, and it will be tricky for us. So coders gossips, this is our virtual machine. Now find use active directory, continue. So we are done. It's almost only this much steps are required in order to create a new virtual machine. So now we are good to go.